My name is Andrew Field, and I am a Senior Cloud Compliance Specialist here at Bulletproof Solutions. The biggest challenge that companies face is around who owns governance and security. And we all know that governance is an activity of the business, and IT is the owner of security. And the organizations that successfully implement data security are the ones that generally go at it with a business-first model. Without this understanding, IT puts in place a bunch of rules without an understanding of the business's processes and ends up, a lot of times, impacting their users' ability to work. The Microsoft Data Security Engagement is a great place for organizations to start their journey around data security to give them a good understanding of who should be involved and what should be involved. So what is unique about our approach is that we don't focus solely on the technology. We focus on the business processes, and the people that need to be involved in a successful deployment. What do we want the business leaders and compliance managers to walk away from this engagement? We want them to have a really good grounding on the Microsoft Purview stack, the value it brings to the organization. We also want them to have a good understanding of how it can be implemented.